Let's try to solve simultaneous equations using matrices. This is simultaneous equations. We try to solve these simultaneous equations by using matrices. 2 from here and 5 from here, 3 from here. So this is a matrix. Now we can see there are two variables here. Those are x and y and equals to 10 and 11. 10 and 11. We can name it as ABC. AB is equal to C. Now we need to find B because we need to find x and y. We can multiply with A inverse. A times A will become an identity matrix. C inverse. Now we can have identity matrix means 1. We can have equation for B. A inverse. Now A means this matrix 2, 2, 5, 3. To find A inverse, I need to find A determinant 2 times 3 minus 5 times 2, 6 minus 10 minus 4. Determinant is 4, and we need to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means A's cofactors transpose. Cofactor A. We need to find cofactor A. To find cofactor A, we can switch these two elements, and this is a cofactor A. We need adjoint. We need to find an adjoint. To find adjoint, cofactor S transpose. We need to find cofactor S transpose. 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 3. Now we can apply these two things to our equation to find A inverse. Adjoint A divided by determinant A. Determinant A. Adjoint A means, now you can see adjoint A minus 5, 2, and the determinant A is minus 4. Minus 4. We can write this as like this. 4, 1, 3 minus 2, 5, 2. Now you know A, B is equal to C. A times A inverse B is equal to A times A inverse. B is equal to C A minus. Now B is equal to A minus means 4, 1, 3 minus 2, 5, 2. 5, 2, and C means this matrix 10, 11. Now you can see we can multiply these two matrices. To multiply two matrices, we need to know the dimension of this matrix. This is 2 by 2 matrix. This is 2 by 1 matrix. 2 by 1 matrix. Now you can see we can multiply these two matrices. The output matrix dimension is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 matrix. You can take 3 into 10 plus and 2 into 11, 5 into 10 plus 2 into 11. 4, 1, 30 minus 22, 50 plus 22. Minus 28, and then we can have and minus 28 divided by 4. 4 times 2 minus 7. Now you can see here x, here y. Now x is x is 2, y is minus 7.